So hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So once again welcome back. So I wanted to give you a final message before your results. So to every A level and O level student before your results day. So as the result day approaches, I just want to remind you of something important. You showed up, you worked hard, you gave your best. This year wasn't easy, especially for the students of the maths and the computer, where the leaks caused the confusion and the stress. Many of you felt uncertain, and it's okay to acknowledge that. But remember that a leaked paper doesn't define your hard work, okay? It will not let your hard work go in vain. A grade will doesn't never define your future, because it will only help you in your future, but it will never ever be able to define your intelligence or your true potential. Whether you are aiming for the university or retakes or just trying to move forward, be proud of your resilience. These exams tested more than your knowledge. They tested your patience, your dedications, and your ability to adapt. More than that, you are not going to be disappointed of your result, because for the every effort that you have put in through all of this year, for every dedication that you have put in, for the every discipline, you are going to be rewarded in this world, okay? So in the case if you are just satisfied with your result and then you are moving on, or in the case if you are continuing your O levels or your A levels, I started uploading A level S1 statistics one's complete crash course, concept based short videos, and with the real past paper practice after each topic. So they are easy to understand explanations. I have also solved several tough papers like of the maths, of the chemistry, of biology, and you can find them all on the channel Revise Smartly. Okay, so don't let one moment decide your worth. Stay hopeful, stay focused, and no matter what happens, your learning continues. Okay, so the future is yours, with you always signing off with Hasvora Education. I'll be meeting you in another video. Till then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.